Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين. Translation: And not any verse or sign come to them from revelation of their Rabb except that they turn away from it. As explained in the introduction of this surah, that Surah Al-Anaam was revealed in the last days of the Mecca time before Hijrah to Medina, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent the Mecca Quran, and many of the ayahs were revealed and given to the polytheists of Mecca, and they saw the new surahs, the new ayahs, and they remained rejecting the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and denying it. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَقَدْ كَذَّبُوا بِالْحَقِّ لَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ فَسَوْفَ يَأْتِيهِمْ أَنْبَاءُ مَا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ. Translation: So indeed they deny and reject the truth when it comes to them, but soon there will come to them the news about results of what they used to ridicule. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept calling the polytheists, which were mushrikeen of Makkah, towards Islam, towards the truth, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam had been calling them and telling them that there will be a severe punishment coming if they reject the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But the mushrikeen did not listen to him, and many of them kept denying due to their arrogance and their false ego. They used to ridicule the ayahs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and used to say that, "O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have been warning us about the punishment, but where is the punishment? It's been like 12 years and no punishment has come." And in this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that soon there will come to them the news about results of what they used to ridicule, meaning that the punishment is just around the corner. And that happened that soon after migration, during the battle of Badr, they had the first installment of the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in the battle of Badr, most of the leaders of Quraysh were killed and they had the humiliating defeat. And this was the punishment from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This should be revised that we are starting the second group of surahs, 2 Makki surahs and 2 Madani surahs. First 2 Makki surahs, An'am and A'raf, in which the argument was completed on the polytheists of Mecca, the mushrikeen in Mecca. And in the next 2 surahs, which are the Madani surahs, Anfal and Tawbah, and in those surahs the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioned. The first punishment came in the form of the battle of Badr, which is mentioned in Surah Anfal, and then the last installment of punishment on the polytheists of Makkah was mentioned in Surah Tawbah. So this group is a balanced group of 2 Makki and 2 Madani surahs. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.